You've just finished typing up an important email on your Android phone. You go to hit send, and nothing. The button is grayed out. It's unresponsive, and your email is stuck. If you're seeing this, don't panic. This is a known issue, and it usually takes less than 5 minutes to fix. Let's get that Gmail send button working again. The absolute gold standard fix for this is clearing your Gmail app cache. It sounds technical, but it's super simple. How to fix it? Step 1. Find the Gmail app icon on your home screen or app drawer and long press it. Step 2. Tap the I icon or the app info button that pops up. Step 3. From there, go into Storage and tap Clear Cache. Step 4. Now, go back one screen and hit Force Stop to completely reset the app. That's it. Now just reopen Gmail, and your send button should be back to normal. Don't worry, this won't delete your emails or account data. Why does this happen? Usually, it's just corrupted temporary files from the app itself, in most cases. However, if that didn't work, you might have hit a Gmail limit. Did you send more than 500 emails in the last 24 hours? Are you trying to email too many people at once? Also, always make sure your app is fully updated in the Google Play Store. Developers release bug fixes constantly, and your app might just be behind. If you're still having trouble, check your internet connection or try removing and re-adding your account to the device. That usually clears up any persistent sync issues. Did this help you get back to emailing? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Android tips. See you in the next one.